Pre-sales for Geely's third-generation Haoyue L have begun with a starting price of 93,900 yuan. On November 22, the company officially announced the pre-sales launch of its new mid-size SUV, the Haoyue L. The pre-sales price range for the four models is 103,900 to 133,900 yuan, while the early bird price range is 93,900 to 123,900 yuan. In terms of appearance, it retains the design of the 2024 model and does not adopt the design of the 2025 model. The new vehicle features a wide front grille with a chrome-plated vertical waterfall design, which integrates with the headlights on both sides and increases the visual width of the front end. In terms of color options, the new vehicle is available in four options: Snow Mountain Silver, Summit Gray, Moon White, and Starry Sky Black. The side profile maintains the traditional balanced styling of SUVs, while the double waistline design and 20-inch multi-spoke wheels give the vehicle a more robust appearance. It measures 4865/1910/1770 mm in length, width and height, has a 2,825 mm wheelbase, and offers 5/6/7 seater options. In terms of interior design, it retains the design of the current model, featuring a 14.6-inch floating central control display and a 10.2-inch floating LCD instrument cluster, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and a traditional electronic gear lever. It is equipped with the Flyme Auto Intelligent Cockpit System, offering two interior color options: warm sun brown and moon shadow gray. In terms of power, it offers two engine options: a 1.5T and a 2.0T with maximum power outputs of 133 kilowatts and 160 kilowatts, respectively. The transmission system is paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, and the chassis utilizes McPherson struts at the front and a multi-link independent suspension at the rear.